endless possibilities.
Central Entertainment Show. Na mwakwa aba na mwatena sa na mkamfa model show yobo wakunu mfide bia oye embe no nandikese embe no nsan na enda so bo ade nyame na adawroma odankwa na hodin da ache hinda no yasema inde thank God it's Friday. Na Central Entertainment Show enda so adomara do hima ya betena ase ebusan yebeti nkomo na nkomo twetwene na no asemi abada ponda menyu benu yebeti nkomo na ansa na yebeti de nkomo no so na yanye enuanom kor anabienbi atwetwe nkomo na yeboko entertainment industry num na yakohwe doro kodo sesare daddy lumba ansa nso a na university we postpone yes osanda Central Entertainment Show information and answer catch there ebusuopen na obatine yinu mun ebusuopen si shale no so wa one confirm it na so ma Central Entertainment Show ma yensa kan enti akaye yibiri sampa da mada de ruma na ebusuafo ono basen kwa beti da monkoma ono basen kwa yana maame ESSUMAN gospel artist Western region ofi takrade maame ni da sembi atogo a ode yebobo hu ne yedzi nkomo waka kire asor anan sor ahoro nya de breed your own stars breed your own stars na nje de wo be programs a na wo ka fa afre gospel artist akasa fi Kumasi Finkran ma what transport bi na ete ESSUMAN se de asori bia lon tete na star anon tete nkofo mo be star injan impana na ma on brem on me star e choy star wi a na ma na asori ye programmer o nka fra kokujesi o yanka fra ESSUMAN o yanka fra Brother Moses o yanka fra nkato na nkato sabi asori bi na oteten atema asori bi na oteten ma nkato na wa be nkato a ebe programmer na akafa nti wa so abofra na aketesia na abrante na wo waso dem na oto yim kakaka na asase dum yesi no ho se atetiri ye ya ntano so be star asema ESSUMAN kan ye beti dem nkomo no nti phone line sin be screen da ebotum afre na waso do adwenkire edaba osana me nkomo a ende ye bedin ana asema hin ma anwa kan oto asom da so no obatete nkofo mo be star na ana achade nyeni ya no wo chapede nti aso no ntuna adwenum na mo yimpa na agba no blawi na ja besta da yakohwe na chirikwan ye bedi da mo nkomo na ote da man ye wi a hennua ba ma oye Thmpsn oye Nigeria yi na nyom ne nza odoto nyom no se ten na ansa so abakra Ghana band boy men dada na ye me na adomare ye kupusa no do wa nje sabochi mem ye ne bedi nkomo ye bohwe ne nyom kakra ye wi a na nkomo twetwe biara ye ne bo twetwe no so yanyen atwetwe ebusua ye wi a cha show no enda so ye bohwe ma oloko tisa for the past 3 months no ye hu de cha show no do no aye bibi oho na musicians what wa this month ending this month ya second week yin we second week na obi a be ni hater what about December Christmas na what do December Christmas so a ono na ye bu hu de music award tell music award time no so na chi ye bo hwa ho na utumi wa hit wo oye 2025 oye Ghana Music Award na chi ye hwa oba nti musicians pi warataw oye middle of this month November ya second week of November na we yi one latest with the pay nti Central Entertainment Show ye bodo suko na mprempre ye kese ya da ateta wo nsenyu a opere oyini tire ye bo twene pay ni na wo oye Ghana Music cha show no do no so ye de nkomotwetwa otedam no ye de abro nti abusua nkoma eyibiri fitimiri akisibra no nso no bobo ye de bedi nkomo another nsama ye bedi nkomo ono na mapampa no ho mada chew no onche bia mada mo tofuru botugwa na dam nkoma ye bedi waso edowanu atumi bi ma yanko nsam ni na do na yenhyase yenu komo wo oye Central Entertainment Show no do yin pefe de dadilumba yenui wakam na ebusuan yan hyehyɛ de nche busumi so December first week of December obape onuano krado na enanom enuanom ayankofo na yira onta wo na ase ba me buronyi na onye sewa wona wale pel eyi no ho as hona na obeye kuna eje yi bi odo ye kuna bam enti akaye piso madanu yampo tumfo setutu menhia himfie wato nsa afre busuafo na wonye akansa no mansam no yimda asomdwe aba na so enti ya Central Entertainment Show ya tinde ende ya nda no pe ya ebusuope no kum enti confirmation mbay man kan kire bia Central Entertainment Show on here it is a chine no be de the mini we sa no kire ya pan ho am no na Central Entertainment Show bi mu fifi ma wa be de gwa kire ansa ne so na so ye no kwara de ebusuope na ye nda maza na yinu buta sada na se wutu sada na kire ye boko anada yiem Daddy Lumba minyimala de enti damana Central Entertainment Show every year put ho yede mo yanko new man gospel artist mame o de nyom foforo ababa no na no nyom foforo da ababa no mu nkomotwetwe na yanyin na abbo nkomo no wosuma da mame ne kan de specially latest no be no nkoforo fafa no dodo nkoforo fafa mame bra me ye program boto nyom mam ma me bra me ye program na nyimpe face gospel artist I won sit down in charge no I require we charge and no charge ebusia enti akaye piso wo oye eminu manafa na ono na eminu ma de asemi abotu gwede ontase de asor churches akasa wo ho na ye nti de the mausori no watetema mama baye star the mausori no watetin the most musia no abe star enko kolipe anu pense da entan hu ense da antante the mausor no ma oko nti bu na aso no onanam wonanam mpa na wonam na wa abe star na weji aso no na odi ntira bom nti ndo nam ha ade chonemo obo no bla we ni skewie obo no bla nti oye din ma aso no de so hwehwe mpakunu mpo a obohun ono na minu ma se tom asawa so titibi no me star eni agen ana eni yagen aso no titibi no me star na oni da hene maame oye eminu man na so na sama ende oda botugwa me ubere bi de mo nkobo no sa so no batetibi no wa be star da eno no ye bohwe da aso no ntete a oda batetin e ba kwa na aso do bafado no amenyin pro wa be star oboto de banaman oboto na afadaman aso no de no boko programs aso no ode no boko school tere e bra de na oda aso no ya yimpo no obe star eminu man na sama ode atugwa onenyen onampo nefo bebi odu no quote bible papa wom quote bible de wose commission yin papa biara onye nwenwu no krom nti eminu man oba nam no lo fita kra na oba nkran ni nya na chi nso mpo wetum wejan na do won pempedo a eminu man wedu one nsama sesiare ye bedi nkomo ebusanti fa ono to na ye bedi de mo nkomo no na hinua be ma oyaba na boy owaga na ha nende odo tonyom na star of performance ni na no abentie bi wo Nigeria wo friend oye Thmpsn odem line no da ebi nkan kire wo na ono na Coastal Television Central Entertainment Show ye kupu sanodo na nyin na abonko be bi sende na nkofro kekan wo star ni na ye bana boy na star na otidat ubusuenya ananya ubusuenya na ayina ya kolabo ananya ya kolabo nkomotwetwe no ne mansa na no yankohwe oye Thmpsn yankohwe no yimokor na yambra yaba yache dimezendo yeshamre sisia
Level 35 time. Hey yo, Lorenz, what you doing?
feel like you're so toxic. I feel like you're way too toxic. My life's so toxic. I feel like you're so toxic. You got me gone. I feel like you're way too toxic. Girl, you naughty. Girl, we rockin' up all night. Yesterday, the feelings I kinda changed. My mind is on my baby girl. She hit me with a blade, she stuck me in my face. The feelings I kinda changed, yeah. I'm in the shower, she keep checking on my phone. She bless my phone when I'm on my way home. She cut my tight, reckon that I happy home. Should I leave her? Can I get deeper? Need that toxic love. When we lick it, we fuck. Baby get buck. Baby get so nasty, make a homeboy fall in love. Need that toxic love, no robotic love. When we fight.
It's ebusiafo eyi oye enua ba ma Play Thmpsn nansa na edwumayin na da me yake Play Thmpsn no oye Nigeria yin na we hwa star na enyum no bebi andam na ebi nka kire oye bana boy ne saso anade yabaka na oye ne sepa na ele nemu na no yanye oye Play Thmpsn yanye abonkomo na yeyini hye 1 and 1 ye bisa no nsam na nokwani waka nokwa wasemi hu de ansana artist they be baba out them wa be ya na nyom onunam YouTube onunam everywhere you go no bira wa bila no challenge sa wa fam no but azekwen de nokwa sam ko so do tubo ma eta ase na kire abrabo no onye de bo hwe bi hu yes say me wa dum na say pede ye music no kotinda man dwen star pede ye yes dwen enyum no do bokwa aba no na wo so ma be ye daman ehwo na star no ba fame no obutu me fi aba na wo esase na we malanche aba star no obi alfa afro no when them oda effort process nim efa me da madukudu some a certain level na yen hwe komotwetwa yanye oye Play Thmpsn yen twetwe no yen hwe bimra
for listeners to Coastaltv right here in New Jersey in the United States of America.
Yes, sir.
We have our, his voice sounds like Burna Boy, but definitely this is this Burna Boy or what?
Man, this is not Burna Boy, but Burna Boy is my guy, man. It's your guy, Play Thmpsn, represent New Jersey, represent the whole tri-state, New York, New Jersey, Maryland. The hottest artist coming out from New Jersey. Igbo boys, what's up? How fun? I'm waiting this up.
Good to call day.
Man, everything there, alright, Charlie. Man, everything no qua. I know everybody name with Tom Wine. What I go? I don't know right now. I'm playing some music. We have the family. We're having a barbecue. Everybody just listening to Play Thmpsn music. You know what I'm saying? So
very well. Now let's go back to your music. How did it all start?
Honestly, I'll just say through God, man. Without God, nothing is possible. Without God, nothing is possible. So I just feel like God gave me the voice to do what I have to do. So it just came with my mom. My mom used to carry headsets back then in the 90s. She used to walk around with headset playing music. So I think just watching her, I always wanted to be in the entertainment, but I didn't know how I was gonna get there, you get me? So one day one of my boys was going to the studio. I heard him rap. I was a fan. You know what I'm saying? As soon as I became a fan, I started following him. I was even telling him, Bruce, can you teach me how to make music? So from one step, he took me to different studios. I recorded my first song, and since then, you know what I'm saying, life has changed.
So usually, your music is on what? Is it Afrobeat or?
I'll say Afro R&B, Afro R&B, Afro fusion, those type of vibes. I can make whatever, but I feel like my fans gravitate towards when I make songs about love, when I make songs about relationship, heartbreaks, or depression, stuff like that goes on in real life. Yeah. So that's why.
So has been music. What are some of the challenges, the ups and downs of music?
Challenge plenty. I'm not gonna lie, man. Plus, you know what I don't do for my life. I don't go Atlanta. I don't go Kenya. I don't go Nigeria just all because of music. But I just feel like one day my day is coming. You know what I'm saying? Because I'm not the only one that's gifted in this world. And this is for everyone that is gifted. No matter what you're going through, you know what I'm saying? Do not ever give up. Honestly, I could have given up a long time ago, but I just came back to America I came back October of 2025, you know what I'm saying? 2 weeks ago, actually. And Probably before that, I was in Nigeria recording songs, meeting producers. Some of them closed their door on me, but some of them opened their door. So it's a lot of challenges. Even if sometimes you have people that can help you, they don't want to help you. They don't want to share your music. They don't want to, you know what I'm saying, buy your music. It's a lot of challenges. If I talk about my challenges or more, this video will be long.
I see.
But yeah, never give up.
Very well, never give up. Basically, how many albums do you have to your credit?
I have one EP. I dropped it in 2021. 5 songs. Probably before that, I have a lot of singles that I've been releasing. So if you guys check me out, my name is Thmpsn, PlayThmpsn. No O in the Thompson. You check out like most of my music. They are on Spotify and most of them are on YouTube as well. Videos, behind the scenes, content, everything. You know, it doesn't.
I thought I was listening to Burna Boy.
Yeah.
Is that your mentor?
Yeah, of course. You know what I'm saying? He's the one that's putting Nigeria on the map right now. You get me? As far as like a worldwide global. But probably before that, a lot of people that didn't know about Afro beats, you know, living in America, I'm like the representative of Nigeria in New Jersey. You get me? So like, he's my big brother. I would say that, yeah. And I do want to make music with him. So Burna Boy, if you're listening to this interview right now, man, holla at me, man. Let's do one of time too. You know what I'm saying? Let's make a record for the whole America, for the whole Nigeria. Yeah.
Now, basically, looking at the music trend, you see that the Nigerians' music are, you know, having that exposure, making waves in other continents, not only in Africa. I just traveled. I just came from Canada, and just, you know, saw the white man playing music about Burna Boy, Stonebwoy, Shatawale, and the rest in Canada. Nigerians are doing quite well. How do you see your music career in the next 5 years?
Man, I see myself as the biggest, actually. You know what I'm saying? I feel like I have to be more consistent. You know what I'm saying? Dropping more tapes. I only have like one EP to my name. So I've been independent and being the only one sponsoring myself, my own label. It's a little bit harder, but like I said, there's nothing that God cannot do. So I'm hoping that God will see me through. Yeah. I mean, nothing is guaranteed, but
is it that people are not interested to come and invest in you?
I think that's what it is. Like, for real, since this is a real life interview, I've met people. Like, honestly, even when I met you, so many people that I've met, they'll say they'll do this, but I like the fact that I met you. Within 5-10 minutes, you say, bro, let's do an interview. Usually people will meet me, they'll listen to my music, but like they don't usually invest. You know what I'm saying? I haven't seen somebody that actually, only one person that I say that have invested in my music. Shout out to Stanley. He passed away during 2020. He was my close. He was like my uncle at that time. The guy had like one leg, Jamaican guy, you know. But he bought me my first studio equipment and stuff. Like, he was the only person I could say that invested money or time into like my music. Other than that, yeah, shout out to the fans that do listen to my music. Shout out to the ones that do buy my EP. But as far as somebody bigger, no, I haven't yet. But I know my time is coming. Yeah, that's it. Yeah.
So basically, what about, do you also play live shows?
Yeah, I have. I used to be quite honest with you. I used to play live shows, but due to like what's going on, I actually slowed down. I stopped, which is my fault as well. But this 2025, if you're listening currently right now, we're in 2025. So from 2025, 2026, I will be doing more live shows. I will be putting myself out there because, you know, the whole thing is about being consistent. I'm not too consistent. For the last year or two, I haven't been consistent. But yeah, man, I'm looking forward to the future.
Now, how does Afrobeat thrive in the music career? Why Afrobeat?
Why Afrobeats? I feel like because it's Africa. Africa is like, yo, real talk, we get everything from Africa. You know what I'm saying? Our coffee, you know what I'm saying, most of our food. Africa is number one, so why not? You know what I'm saying? That's why not? You guys that's watching, why not Afrobeats? Afrobeats is the hottest genre. I would say after Christian music, Afrobeat. You know what I'm saying? But Afrobeat is the world. Right. I can't even compare or give examples or tell you guys the reason why Afrobeat is big. But I will say the beats, the melody, the messages, and God blessed Africa. And that's it, yeah.
Basically, you say you have just come from Nigeria, from Kenya. What are the collaboration like in Africa?
Yeah, the collaborations is great. I wasn't able to collaborate with a big artist yet, But as far as like producers, upcoming producers or independent producers, it was very, very easy to connect with them simply by DM. I remember I went to like 3 studios and I met with a couple producers that are currently working on my new EP. So things are very, very easy, but you have to be on ground. You know what I'm saying? You have to be on ground, something that you spend time. Like when I went to Kenya, I was in Kenya for years, but when I went to Nigeria, I was only in Nigeria for like 2 months. So when I was in Kenya, I shot a lot of music videos out there. I met a lot of people. My song trended out there, which is called Toxic. Maybe after this, we'll put my video of Toxic. You guys can see my videos and stuff like that. But yeah, we shot most of them in Kenya, and while we was in Nigeria, we just linked up with a couple producers here and there. So it's easy. It's very, very easy.
Have you also made time to come to Ghana?
Oh,
you guys know Ghanaians and Nigerians, they love Nigerian music.
Yeah. I'm glad you're bringing that up right now. I feel like this new chapter of my life, I definitely will be coming to Ghana. I haven't had the opportunity to. I've always had it in my, I just need you guys to welcome me when I come in, Charlie. You know what I'm saying?
We will. We definitely will. Finally, before you go, making.
Coastaltv, a world. Coastaltv, a world of endless possibilities.
It's ebusua hennua bema oye Thmpsn nkomotwetwe na no ono na wa kiremu na netofo bom kakra mepere yina yetase abrante no wa me yehu de abrabo no ye easy na ofi Nigeria oko studio by studio ni nya nechi no na wapaman baby oboko bia wapaman so the cha ususu de sabe onyi rank nem onyi system nem nto ono de obomo yeye na adomedom na udukupe US na US na positions as we are talking and now we are speaking now nkosa no produce no ehuma yame na ade nara no produce no hwe na track wa ba out sesiale ekọ YouTube obia tugudo olhwe enyum ne bi no abrente na no produce no na ekomotwetwe no ma ogira dan de Bana Boy na ye kan wasam no Bana Boy no so onyim na oyeni senior man oye no mentor so usande ona na wajije ntata ebudum pempedo a wedi nti otichoman na otichoman so a na ma oraka oda semrente nketesa ye kan use word bi ma there upcoming artists Thmpsn asem o se man hwehwe de nyimanyim nya be yeye nemo breed yourself fadan kaka krada ma boshen na yankopanara we pagya oduwe du baby nti Thmpsn nsam no dama na abrante no orpe ache ne wura mpa wabere wablabom ehwe mpepedo a wedu fiti Nigeria abupe US mana ehuma wiade te hode de adene wanso mo we hu echokupe US mana wo pede wo gene nyuma aba Nigeria na wa abonyum ne bi ehuma nyabeti nti se nyame Oma wode mbaya kan wakom tuyem wode baba onna Thmpsn or kan wode baba nti nkomotwetwe ya besa kwhwe nkomotwetwe kura bien so a yen ye nkomono ntuedo no mepere yese ne kwhwe nkomono ntuedo bo na blabom na sisi ampempendo a opere okudu na ekura etwe nkomo ne nsade wan de by 5 years time mfenum ntemde na o kire na ranka sayim de baby a opere okudu nti nkomotwetwe nti nsa no kwhwe oye Thmpsn no nkomotwetwe ne bio ya hwamra
Igbo guy. Why is that you don't want to use your mother tongue for the music to sell the culture?
That's a good question. I feel like what defines me of an artist is how I sing. I sing much better and I can flow much better in English because I think in English. But at the same time, I do want to promote my culture. So on my TikTok, all my content that I do is only in Igbo. I don't even speak English on my TikTok. So if you guys are watching right now, follow me at Thmpsn, PLAYTHMPSN on TikTok, where you guys can find nothing but Igbo content from me. You know, so I might even do Igbo dance, Igbo content. But as far as my music, mostly has been in English. You know what I'm saying? Yeah.
Finally, you are a young man, just couple of days, a renowned musician in Ghana, known as Shatawale, had a straight festival, Shatafest.
Wow.
And you can look at the massive audience in the street there. You guys have the inspiration to give advice to young people like your age. What advice do you want to give to the young people who are coming up now?
Man, I say, to be quite honest with you, when you start doing music, just do it for yourself. Don't do it because you want to be famous or you want to make money. Do it for yourself, because I will say this, nothing is guaranteed, you get me? Even tomorrow is not guaranteed. So when I started doing music, I know how many times I could have stopped. A lot of people, the whole time when I was in Kenya shooting music videos, the people that's on my class, they already went to school, graduated, got a degree. You know what I'm saying? But I chose to do what I wanted to do, because that simply was going to make me happy. You get me? So whenever you do music, just ask yourself, is this your happiness? Music is my happiness. Listen, bro, I was playing, the song that I was playing for you is not even on YouTube, but just me listening to my songs brings joy to my heart, makes me want to hustle up. So yeah, do it for the love, not for the money. Yes, that's my advice.
Now, finally, you know, people who go to entertainment, young people, as you said, fame gets into their head, dangerous moves and the rest.
Yeah.
You say it doesn't last. Finally, to them, as they are watching you, give them that advice in terms of, you know, entertainment, fame and drugs.
Yeah, entertainment, fame and drugs. Honestly, some days I do believe like it's a foundation of the devil, but you have to know how to be in control of everything. Especially when it comes to entertainment, you're gonna have drugs, you're gonna have women. So me, I don't do drugs, and even when it comes to the women and stuff like that, like I don't like to participate myself into too many women and stuff like that, because it do bring destruction. So like I said, when you're into this music, just stay to yourself, you know what I'm saying? Do it for the love. Don't worry about what's going on, the drugs and stuff like that, you know? And I feel like everything will be all right. But once you start putting yourself into like drugs, women and stuff like that, that's when you're not in control. And that's the devil man's workshop. So for me, I've been around, like, especially I think my case is different because I grew up in churches. Like even today we went to church, you know what I'm saying? So for me, it's like, I can't speak for others, but for me, I cannot partake myself into that, because it's not it's not the best version of myself. You get me?
No, that reminds me of church. Most of the musicians who have made it a lot, who are now popular, they said it all started in the church, like a choir group, bands group. Is yours also different?
Yeah, mine is actually did start from the church. My first rap was, we went to a youth program, I think about a decade ago, and I honestly, that's when I didn't even know I was gonna be a musician today. And at that time, I just picked up a mic. I didn't have nothing written. All I was saying was, God this, God that, God this, God that, rapping. And everybody just shouting. And since from then, that's when my stardom started, you know what I mean, independently. Even here in New Jersey, there's nobody that don't know me. I have a lot of plays on my YouTube, on my Spotify, on my Apple Music. But, you know, very, very soon, I am going to be global. So yeah, everything does start from the church, because what happens is that when kids join the church, they offer like music programs and stuff like that, whether you're playing piano or playing the guitar or just doing whatever, you know what I'm saying? But church does offer you a platform to start from. Then yeah, you can move up depending on where you want to go.
Well, definitely wonderful listeners viewing Coastal TV right here from
sir.
New Jersey, United States of America.
Yes, sir.
Definitely you are listening to Thmpsn, definitely. That's right, great. Play Thmpsn, definitely. At this point, I want to put you a spot on. Play Thmpsn. Can you call it? That's right, good.
I know about man, then with I come. Do the I know about Jim, one or two things. Him and I know Kita, I need burgers. I believe my hand up burger or hot dogs. I know about. But one day working about second met him interview. Him and I know in America. I'm a musician. I believe in Genti. All my Igbo people know in Nigeria. I'm your son. okay? I'm your cousin. I'm your brother. So as you see me now, man, I need you guys' help. May you not listen to my music, you understand? May you guys they search my name now Play Thmpsn, PLAYTHMPSN, not O for the Thmpsn. So make unu get maka na get my music. Can we laugh na? You want to go can pate go ngeji zuta moto for daddy zuta uno for mommy. You want to go but imani na na yeah dey easy. But I can now bumble. So this message for all the upcoming artists nearby. Bro, upload today can be the name of music. What I go? I've been doing music for a while, but over time you get room, but I'm saying German. So my message is: do not ever give up on your dreams or anything actually, man. What I go because life is short. Only God knows tomorrow. So yeah, man. Thank you. Appreciate it. Cinderella, you're my favorite person. And when we're together, you make me feel better. And even Desert, you make me feel better. Baby girl, you make me so special. I've been thinking of how I'm gonna love you. I've been writing a couple poems. I've been singing about your love. I've been thinking about your hug. Play Thmpsn, don't know. But yeah, man, just a little melody for them. You know what I'm saying? So they could, you know what I'm saying, get used to like my voice and my vibe. Wait, many songs like. It's gonna be hard for me to like, you know what I'm saying? But I would say this. The way I go, the way I show. This year be my year. This year we gonna blow. We have 50 shows ready for me. Everything is a go. Play Thmpsn, don't know. Like I said, you gotta check out the tape. Yes, sir. What's up, my people? I go by the name of Play Thmpsn, and you're now watching Coastaltv, the biggest platform on Ghana, frequency 514 on Giga2 TV. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, let's get it. Anything if you want to watch news, you want to watch videos, we got it for you. Don't know.
Coastaltv, a world of endless possibilities.
What's up, my people? I go by the name of Play Thmpsn, and you're now watching Coastaltv, the biggest platform on Ghana, frequency 514 on Giga2 TV. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, let's get it. Anything if you want to watch news, you want to watch videos, we got it for you. Don't know.
Wow. Play Thmpsn. Na avete fato ukita vibes papa na nko botuchi na no ebusia wa ma ya tsase de oye Nigeria yi na oye Igbo yi so eti Igbo kasa na no do ko TikTok do yes odo o me de no nyuma gbo yi na no ayum ne mo to ni na no oto no oye brofo kasam na mum ne TikTok no nko mobo na advice ne bibio hia o TikTok bia no okan wo oye Igbo kasam ni nwura mpa no so channel culture wo oye TikTok ana YouTube do o channel culture no ho na Play Thmpsn na samanye de sesiare nyame na domara nkakra orokoso na mum ebusuafa enuanoma ayankofa obogbo ni na ona anya hira ye hwani yes enti no se ahirara ye hwe ye download no nyum your comment your comment ye hye nkran ya na omama no so wehu ana wenya areshem na why no more eti ewude nyen ne kobotwetwe no mu ayeda papa na Play Thmpsn na sama odi twechira yin de Coastal Television in fact wa ma na nwaje waje modo nta wo hwe Coastal Television wa so butum do comment na wo nkwanhye sam ina no so ede aba ebusu ya beti nkomo nto nche biara normal phone lines ni bugu screen no do na butum afa na asama ESSUMAN na asama oreka no aso one I wanted to wanna star yes build your own stars ESSUMAN na asama oreka kire aso no ene ya adwen ana ene nya adwen yenje wa adwen kire wo oye comment section wo Facebook butum da aba ana so butum afre na ede wa adwen kire ede aba wonsama yene maame ESSUMAN oreka enti Play Thmpsn ebusuafo men kwhwe ne yemu kronkan na yeba aba otwe nkomo no ye hwamra.
Lately, I've been feeling crazy, drinking out the